Well, here we are. You may wonder, or you may not, why the apples are right here in front of me. I keep thinking that too. Doesn't matter. They're there because an apple a day is what keeps the doctor away. But even better, I'm here to tell you why laughter is just as good as apples on some levels, because a laugh a day keeps the doctor away. Why? Because laughter yoga, when you practice intentional laughter, is an amazing way of laughing where you're not relying on other people, jokes, or even having a great sense of humor. And we do it as exercises where the simulated laughter we're starting out with perhaps very quickly becomes real contagious laughter, where there is a willingness to take part and there's eye contact and a little bit of movement. So you get a sense of that exercise system. And it's called laughter yoga because we're combining deep breathing techniques with playful laughter and our own playfulness. And so much evidence from medicine and science suggests or shows that we get benefits whether we laugh for real or pretend to laugh. This concept was started in 1995 by a medical doctor, Madan Kataria, and he started with just 5 people. Oh, 5. Now it's all around the world in over 100 countries. Wow, you may say. I say that too. Why should we practice this when we're always looking for people to be genuine with everything? Well, first of all, when we're laughing in our social life and in our life in general, it's often very brief. It's a few seconds here and there that goes something like so it's also coming from our chest. To get the absolute maximum benefits of laughter, we need to laugh 10 to 15 minutes, maybe even longer. And it must come from our body, so we're using the diaphragm for the deep breathing and the abdomen for laughing it out. And of course, not wait for laughter to happen, but choose it every single day. So you're making your laughter intentional for the benefit of you. And maybe those people you interact with. What are the benefits then? First of all, we change our mood within minutes. The endorphins start kicking in. They're not the only chemicals, but let's just stick with those. They also reduce stress chemicals like cortisol. When you reduce stress, you give your immune system a big boost. That's a medical fact. And of course, when you're laughing, you're gulping in so much fresh air. So you're feeding your body and your vital organs, including your brain, fresh air. Feeding your brain fresh air means that you're feeling more alert, more awake, more motivated, and more productive during a day, whether you work or you do other activities. And people who laugh together work so much better together. But it's not just about work relations. It's about relationships altogether where we benefit. We improve our relations and we have a great way of maintaining existing and new connections. And of course, finally, just to say that going through life, it's not just a walk in the park or what the expression is. It sometimes presents challenges like loss and trauma and illness. And practicing laughter yoga doesn't mean we're laughing all the time. It just means that we're rewiring our brain to maybe view things from a different perspective. So we do become more resourceful and resilient in coping with life's ups and downs. Easier to bounce back. Doesn't mean the problems go away, but we're in a better position to cope with it. So what's not to love about laughter yoga? We do some clapping, ho, ho, ha, 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 ho, ho, ha, 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 and then we stretch and breathe. That's the only yoga you're going to get, sort of. And then we encourage our playfulness to come out. Sometimes we forget it when we grow up. So it goes very good, yay! Very good, yay! And don't worry if you can't stretch. We have other ways of helping you. So that is just a very brief introduction, well, almost 5 minutes, I suppose, to what laughter yoga is really all about. And apples are great for you as well. Laugh later.